Good Friday morning. Looking forward to a weekend. It's been a long weather week. These morning commutes have been troublesome, some worse than others. This one could also be a tricky one with some slippery spots out there. We're looking over the Queen City where the temps are in the teens. Visibility at the moment looks pretty good, but there is some fog trying to form out there, and a lot of low-level moisture is present too, with sub-freezing temperatures. So there is going to be a lot of frost on windshields and other surfaces too. And frost is ice, right? It's not, glare ice, but it will make for some slippery spots this morning. And we also have refreezing going on from yesterday's thaw, so black ice will likely be an issue for you. It's going to be a quiet day. Mostly cloudy, but I do expect a few breaks of sunshine. Late in the day, a front marches in. By then, it will be a lot milder, and by then, we'll deal with rain showers and not any frozen precipitation tonight. Fog, frost, black ice could be very slippery for the commute, cold and calm. Midday, mostly cloudy, but I do expect a few breaks of sunshine. Our temperatures will recover at this point above 32. So the thoughts of, slippery spots will be gone by then. Afternoon and evening, rain showers are passing through from west to east. The threat for them is only a few hours, like maybe 5 to 10 o'clock. And we'll have a mild breeze here too. So our temperatures will actually rise this evening, even after the sun goes down. That's when our highs will be reached. And those rain showers will be gone, as I mentioned, by midnight tonight, and we'll do some clearing late tonight too. Temp drops back down to around 32. Highs this evening will reach the low 40s over southern Maine and around 40 in eastern Maine, mid 30s up north into the mountains. So we still won't lose a lot of the snowpack up there. Tomorrow looks good and dry from start to finish during the daylight hours, but tomorrow night, a very weak, unorganized system will move through with a wintry mix, mostly in the form of snow, but a little bit of rain could mix in along the coastline by Sunday morning. And then behind this system, it gets gusty for Monday and chilly, but not the extreme cold that we've had so often so far this winter. Midnight tomorrow night, so Saturday into Sunday, we get precipitation moving in, mostly in the form of snow, and a little bit of rain mixing in along the coastline. It doesn't look like we're going to deal with as much ice out of this one. It's either going to be snow or rain. And by morning on Sunday, it's probably more snow than rain, but it's already tapering off. It'll try to backfill a little bit through the mountains and the hills and parts of northern and eastern Maine during the day. But I think for the rest of us, it's kind of a non-issue. Some of these flakes will linger into the afternoon, though. So here's the snow map, a coating to an inch along the immediate coast. Inland, it's 1 to 3, and that does include Sebago Lake, Lewiston, Augusta, and Bangor. And then the hills, mountains, and far north will see a little bit more, 3 to as much as 5 inches of snow. Gale warnings, seas 2 to 4, south winds 15 to 25 knots. Those gale warnings are going to be for tonight and tomorrow morning. Slick early on, and then mostly cloudy, milder this afternoon, some evening rain showers. Tomorrow, partial sun, mild again, mid 40s. And then tomorrow night, we get that light mix of snow and rain. There could be some snow showers lingering on Sunday with highs in the mid-30s. And then several days in a row with no storms. Monday and Tuesday are chilly, especially Monday with the wind. Tuesday's partly sunny, upper 30s. Low 40s on Wednesday, and then it looks like it'll turn, I wouldn't say sharply colder, but definitely colder by the end of next week.
Yeah, all right.
Kind of normal stuff.
Yeah, 32s.
Yeah.
It's where it's supposed to be at.
Sure.
Ish. Thank you.